Seeing on the straw, I just remembered about the apple, and this small apple trees, were like small plants actually, and so they are mounted on a straw so that they grow beautifully, and so just uh, being on a watery place, and my um, like the Great Barrier Reef. So uh, so the Great Barrier Reef starts here. So the first is the brain forest, and so how did I find it? So it was a task, and so just I found it about on a morning at 6 o'clock. I came here, and just I saw the shape of the brain, the entire brain. So the cortex, medulla, and the uh, um, descending part on the sky. So sky from here. So it was a very beautiful formation, and it's amazing that we can see the brain like in the human structure and compared to the sky. So like again so like so you have seen the brain forest, and so there's a lot of stones indicating the coral formation, and so then previously I've been here, and so we have seen the this one like the flamingo forest. So the on that so I named it as the male Maduvu Reserve Forest. So it's one of the reserve forests usually, and so I think it is Kakinada. So I don't know for sure, but it's okay. Then we continuously from here have about some. So there's a water place. So and from here continuously we have some about 14 to 16 of the forests, reserve forest, and so usually then there is a alligator forest and a parrot forest, and so see nice parrots and alligators and monkeys, and so this is the so why I named as a brain forest is like the sea urchin looks like brain. So the corals and the sea urchin, the shell of the sea urchin, there's white sea urchin also, and also the um, the all the sea organisms like the sea cucumbers, and the also the vegetarians, so the sea plants, the kelps, and all of the um, organisms growing there. So then what so I just have mentioned about this, and the thing you eat, so you have mussels, and you have the scallops, and you have the uh, this what to say, the snails, the sea snails also, in the shape of a rounded so sang, so like a sang in Tamil. So and so previously we were in a mango forest, so the mangoes and the orchids, mango orchid, and there we were seeing that ant places, ant residing potholes, and there also we saw this what is that, the uh, the giant and the red squid forest. Because usually those holes are made only by squids. So and usually I think it is they are grown in the farm, and in the water in the production area, and they are grown more productively to give more meat. So they are buried under the soil or under cultivation area, so that they give more of the food and more of energy and contain more of proteins. So usually malnutrition is one of the main causes of um, uh, disease in rural areas and village areas. So we'll just continue in a few minutes, so I'll just go and check it out how many forests are there. So I think from here, so today, yesterday it was rainy, so today it is full of claying of the soil is there. So we'll just move on the road so that we see it as a segments. So now if you see from here, there will be no road, but if we go on, they will be putting the road on, so that we could see clearly about all of the forest from here. And happy Sunday. Thank you.